Hey, hi, hello, Calvin here, Semi Sigma, and it's good to see you guys. It's been a while since I've done this sort of a video where I'm just talking to you guys, so it's very nice to see you all again. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope your studying's going well. I hope your lectures and your schoolwork and your projects and your exams and everything is going well. And I've been meaning to do this sort of a video or try to introduce more of these types of videos onto the channel so you don't always just see me doing lecture videos on statics or fluids or mechanics or all of that sort of stuff. It's nice to just get in front of the camera and just speak to all of you about random things in the engineering world as well as things going on in this project. So this is going to be a video of just a bunch of random topics. Well, just a few topics, things, announcements, courses that I'm working on, and I hope to do more of these types of videos in the future for this channel. I think it's a lot of fun just to be able to talk to everybody and connect. Oh, and very recently I've gotten really interested in videography and photography and digital filming, and so I'm trying out a few different things that might look different in this video as it did compared to some of my other videos that I've done like this in the past. Hopefully this shot and the lighting and everything looks a lot better. I'm actually using the same camera, but I'm just trying to teach myself more about filming, learning more about film, how to record, how to shoot, how to light, all of that sort of stuff. And it's been a lot of fun. So this is kind of my first real attempt at making a proper set and just trying out all these techniques that I've been reading about, watching about, learning about very recently. So let's talk about this video. This video is gonna be just a random video, really. Just I have a few announcement things I wanna talk to you all about. Hopefully some fun stuff, some useful stuff, and kind of give you guys my plan for future videos and future content on the Semi Sigma channel. So to get started, I'm actually working on a new series right now, and you guys might have seen some of those videos already be published online. That is vector statics. Statics, fun fact, is actually one of my favorite courses. It's a super fun class. I enjoyed it a lot when I first took it in college, and it's just a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy that class. We're going to be going over, of course, all of the stuff in vector statics that you learn at a typical college level course. And as of right now, the topics that I'm covering and recording very recently, they are on finding resultant forces for different vectors. So you can have like planar forces acting on an object or a point, and those vectors create some sort of a resultant force, right? We can use trigonometry to figure that out. See, look at me. I'm just going back into all the engineering stuff when I'm trying to create a video that is a little bit away from engineering. Anyway, that's the announcement on the course. Now, alongside the vector statics course, I'm also working on a very top secret, super confidential, of the utmost importance course, which will be coming soon to a Semi Sigma channel near you. So stay tuned. The first video I actually just finished recording and editing, and it's going to be out in a couple weeks from now, from the time that this video hits. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'll give you a hint. It does relate to vector statics, but it is going to be a course of its own. I want to tell you guys more right now, but I'll let the video come out in a few weeks. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, on to the next announcement. Social media. I finally have social media links. Well, I've always had social media for this channel, but I wasn't super active on it. Sorry. So I recently set up an Instagram account. I've always had a Twitter account, but I'm trying to post more, and on my Twitter, I'm usually complaining about how we're not all using the metric system right now. But anyway, the Twitter and the Instagram account for this channel for Semi Sigma is down in the description below. So if you want to follow me there and get a little bit of the behind the scenes, things that I'm thinking about or discussing or any of that, all that stuff will be posted on those channels. Now, I also have some personal Instagram accounts that if you guys are interested in following me, you could certainly do so. I'll also post those down in the description below. And yeah, so if you do want to connect, that's a great way to do it. It would be great to hear from you guys. And if you're interested, all that stuff will be down in the description below. Okay, on to the next topic. So, in the spirit of trying to get me to do more of these types of videos where I'm just speaking to you all, I want to do a Q&A vlog. It would be so much fun to do a Q&A video. I think that would be a lot of fun. So, I do get a lot of questions on my videos and even some of my social media just asking me about all sorts of stuff. So, I haven't really responded to any of those because I just don't have time. But I think it would be fun if we wanted to just get to know each other a little bit more. If you wanted to ask any questions, and mind you, not homework questions or like project questions or like stuff on my videos, but if you just want to know a little bit more about me, it could be anything. It could be, hey Calvin, what's your favorite pizza topping? What phone are you using? What was your favorite course in college? It could be what equipment I use. It could be where I went to school. It could be what am I doing right now in my job or my career or any of the other projects that I'm working on. So if you do have any questions that you would like to submit for this Q&A video that's upcoming, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. You can also leave your questions on Twitter. If you just tweet at me with the hashtag AskSimiSigma, I'll get your questions from there as well. But again, if there's anything you really want to know, obviously I can't tell you super private information like my social security number or where I live, but if you just want to know some fun random facts about me, you can leave your questions down below. I'll try to answer as many as I can in that next video, hopefully to be out in a few weeks after this video drops. And yeah, I think that will be fun, so I'm really looking forward to you guys' questions. Okay, so on to the last topic. So this one's kind of related to the Q&A, but on my channel and on my video, even in some of my DMs, I do get a lot of questions about homework and projects and individual questions that people might have about certain topics. And although I would love to help out everybody and try to answer everybody's questions, I do want to say that I am just one person. I am the only person managing this channel, writing the content, recording the lecture videos, editing them, uploading them, and then just taking care of all the stuff in between. And on top of that, I do have a full-time job. I have other projects that I'm working on, personal responsibilities, things with family and friends. And gosh, I don't want to sound like I'm complaining here, but as much as I do want to help everybody, I can't answer everybody's questions, and so I apologize for that. I try my best, but the questions that I really truly just can't make time for are those questions about, people have questions on their specific homework and they're looking at specific problems, or they're working on a project or whatever it may be. I just can't answer those types of questions. If you have a question around one of the topics in my videos and you post that question down in the comments for that video, I will try my best to get back to that and try to provide an answer. But if not, I still encourage you to ask questions down in the comment section, because if you have that question, chances are other people has that same question. And if you guys put your questions down in the discussion, then chances are somebody will be able to answer that question and give you the answer that you need. So I encourage you to do that. But again, I just can't do the other extra questions like homework problems or stuff like that. So I do apologize. I hope you guys understand. It is a lot of work to do these videos, but I really enjoy doing them. It's really awesome to kind of be able to give back to the engineering and the education community. It's something that I'm really passionate about, and I'm going to continue doing it so long as I continue to have fun with it. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. And yeah, I guess in conclusion, this is my first video in front of a camera in a really long time, but I hope you enjoyed this video. It was great seeing you all again. Let's chat in the comment section below. I hope to do more of these types of videos in the future. Let me know if this is something you guys would be interested in. Maybe you can even help me out with some topics that you guys would be interested in. It could be my school journey, how I kind of found civil and structural engineering, how I got into the space, how I started this channel, the career and the stuff that I'm doing right now, life advice, projects, career switching. If there's any topic that you guys are interested in, please let me know down in the the comments below. And of course, please remember, if you do want to submit a question for the Q&A video that I want to do in a few weeks, please leave those questions down below. And then, I think that's about it. So I'll go ahead and end the video here. It was great seeing you guys, and I hope you're well, and I will see you guys in the next video.